Hi friends, welcome back. Naji here. So we are continuing a discussion on LangGraph streaming, and in this video we will try to complete the rest of the stream modes, that is messages and the custom. So if you have not seen my earlier video, please have a look on that video, otherwise it is difficult to understand this video details. Okay. So here we'll see how can we stream using messages, or how can we stream using the LLM models. Okay. For that, first let me have a LangChain OpenAI. So we'll be using the OpenAI here. I can import chat OpenAI. Okay. Now we can define a LLM model, so which will be chat OpenAI, and we are going to mention the model as GPT 4o mini. Okay, so here we ensure that you have imported your environment variable with OpenAI API key. Okay, for that I have already added that in my .env file, and if you are not aware of that, just go and create a OpenAI key using or from their website. Then we can, what you guys can do, you guys can do a import OS, then OS dot environ. Here you can say it at OpenAI API key, then copy and paste your API key here. Okay, so once that is done, you will able to execute the rest of the code. Otherwise, you guys can go and create a .env file and just add a OpenAI API key there, then also this will work. Okay, now we can just modify our earlier code, that is the generate jog. Okay, so here we are going to generate jog using LLM model. Okay, so here our LLM model is the chat OpenAI. I can set a LLM response. Okay, I can set this as a LLM dot invoke. So we will be passing a dictionary here. I can set it as a role as user, and content as, I can say that generate a job about, from the state we are going to create a job. Okay, now I can return the job. This is my job. I can do a LLM response dot content. So let me execute it. We are getting an error, we'll see that. And yeah, this double quotes is always an issue, so let me make it a single quotes. Now this is working fine. Okay, now just build the graph. Okay, so I can have a graph, use a state graph. In this method also we can build the graph. I can do a add node, so this will be refine topic, then graph dot add node, this will be generate topic, I mean generate job. Now we can add edge. So our first edge will be start, then second edge will be refine topic, then from refine topic I need to go to the generate job, and I can close this, right? From generate job I can end it. Okay, now we can compile it. I am using the same variable. I can compile the graph. So we are ready with that. Now we can start looping through the messages. So I can have a message chunk, then metadata, not from, for. Okay, in. Now I can check graph dot stream. Okay, here I can pass the topic. So the topic will be ice cream. Okay, now just mention the stream mode. So this time stream mode will be messages. So this will stream the LLM token. Okay, and I can check the message chunk is chunk dot as a content. If it has a content, now I can print message dot chunk dot content. To understand the separator, let me make it pipe, then I can make the flush as true. I'm executing it. See, we can see this is streaming is happening. Okay, so let me execute it again. So and see this, see the streaming is working perfectly using messages. Okay, now we can discuss about last mode, that is the how the custom mode will work. Okay, the custom mode we can stream with any custom data. Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to import a stream writer. So from LangGraph dot types we need to import stream writer. Okay, now we can define the generate joke here. So there is a little bit change here. We need to have a state. Now we need to have a writer. Okay, so the writer is the stream writer. Okay, here I can write. I can say that custom key, and now I can say this is a custom stream data. Return, I can return the joke. Here I can say that this is a joke about state. In single quotes I can say it as a topic. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we can use the same graph. So let me copy and paste. Okay, now I can compile it. Graph.compile. Okay, now we can start streaming. Okay, for that what I can do, I can call it as for chunk in graph.stream, the same thing that we are using here. I can mention the topic. The topic will be ice cream. Here I can mention the stream mode. The stream mode will be custom. Let me print the chunk. Okay, now let me execute it. Here we can see the custom value is streamed, that is the custom key. This is the custom stream data. So that is what we have streamed from generate joke method. Okay, so this is also working fine. And one more thing that I need to discuss, how can we have more than one stream mode? Okay, for that let me come here. Okay, so this is our old code. So let me execute this refine statement and generate code. Let me compile this. Okay, here what we are doing, here we are stream mode is values, we are getting the stream mode is as values, and here we are getting stream mode as a updates. Here we can see stream mode as debug. Okay, now let me add one more cell here. Let me copy this one and paste it here, and I can make a list. Okay, now I can make a values. Now I can make a updates. Okay, now let's execute it. So here we can see more than stream modes are there. So here we can see the values, debug, updates, everything we will be getting in a single stream loop. So in this way we can combine multiple stream modes together. So that's it about in this video. So please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.